is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project that name is NFT Tanks. So guys, it's a new project and which is related with the NFTs. They also write that a collection of 3,333 unique dot tankers and new play to earn P2E NFT game where gamers can earn cryptocurrencies and NFT tokens through their gaming activities. Guys, here there are that a mint and token sale will be open on November, so stay tuned. Guys, in this project, you can also see that it's a P to earn game. It's interactive, and guys, also they are going to start the farming and stacking utilities here also, and they have also the NFT marketplace for platform. Guys, this is the video which is related with this project, and you can also play this video just click here, and you will get more info through this video, like how you can play the game in this platform. Like I'm going to play this video, just watch this. Also they are going to stacking in this PvE and PvP here also. So guys, they also release their app on App Store and also on Google Play Store. So guys, they have several games modes available also here. So guys, PvE mode for your training, and guys, PvP also here. So the PvP mode is with a reward for winning in battle in NFTs tokens, which a player can block a certain number of NFTs token to receive a prize for winning. The loser is left with nothing. Each player must lock fixed certain amount of NFTs tokens to receive. And also guys, you can also play the team battle here, team battle on a large 2v2 or 4v4. So player map with a reward for the winning side. Players will be able to collect and upgrade various dodge tankers in order to earn NTS tokens. Guys, here the NFT, they also write that almost 3,333 unique NFTs generated from 230 hand drawn features, and also they are going to 5% of tokens will be distributed free of charge among all holders of the unique NFT collections. Guys, also if the owner will be access to all the benefits of the game, bonuses and gifts. And they are going also, the mint will be opened on November. Follow their Discord and social media other channels so as on not to miss the opening date of whitelist. So guys, this is the tokenomic of the NFT tanks. So they are going to total supply of the NTS coins is almost 10 crores, and they are going to distribute almost 20% in the farming, 12% in the team, which is vesting 1.5 year, and they are also going to distribute almost 16% in the marketing and the ecosystem. Guys, 20% they are going to distribute in a liquidity airdrop 3%, and NFT owners in almost they are going to distribute 5%. Private sale and IDO is almost distributed in 24%. So guys, this is a roadmap of this project. They are going to launch their website, social launch and game development they are going to complete in September 2021, and in the Q2 they are going to collect the NFTs and influencer campaign marketing starts. Whitelist starts in October 2021, and in November 2021 they are also going to complete the NFT mint will be open. Private sale and pre-sale and IDO are also going to complete in 2021, which is also NFT market will be complete. And in December 2021 they are going to launch their game NFT avatar marketplace, Christmas events, and in December 2021 they launch the game NFT avatar marketplace and also Christmas events. In 2022 and 2022 also they are going to guild system, joining guild battle, ranking, tournament mode, game items, equipments, medals, skill books, game item marketplace, and friend list in game chat. And guys, these are the supporters of the NFT tag. So every game, play earn, dap radar, game zero llc, dap.com, and also play to earn daily. Guys, these are the social link. You can also contact with them if you want to know more about the NFT tags. And also we have also a bounty of the NFT tags here. So these are the social links, and they are going to distribute almost in this project 10 lakh NTS tokens. And guys, you can also join this campaign. It's totally free. So in the Telegram campaign, if you have good followers, then you can easily join this. You must to join the Telegram channel, and also guys, you must chat in the channel about something more than the bounty 5x per week. You can start by asking a question about the project if you have one, or by giving your honest opinion, or it in a respectful manner. So they are going to distribute on one stack per week, and this is the form. You must to fill the form if you want to join join this campaign. Guys, so this is the Telegram campaign, and guys, you must to put your BSC address here, post your pro authentication link, your Bitcoin tag or altcoin tag username, and you must to put your Bitcoin tag or altcoin tag profile link. Put it your Telegram name here with the at the rate. And also guys, you must to put it your display name in the Telegram here, and post link first question on Telegram, and you must to put the second question link on the Telegram, and third question, and fourth, and like fifth. And then after that you are going to click on submit, and you are going to participate in this campaign. So guys, we have another campaign like a Twitter campaign, and guys, you will get almost good amount of stack if you want to join this campaign. So if you have good amount of float, then you will get a good amount of stack here also. So you need to almost 300 minimum followers if you join the Twitter campaign. So guys, you must to put these hashtag in your post, and almost retweet at least 3 tweets from the page per week, or no more than two tweets or retweets per day. And guys, you must to fill the form if you want to join this campaign. So guys, if you want to join the Discord campaign, then you will get good amount of stacks or tokens here also. If you invite a good amount of people here per week, then you will get good amount of stacks here also. And guys, this is the form. If you want to join this campaign, then you must to fill the form. So guys, in the video campaign, video must be in English. They are going to accept, and just 2 videos will be accepted in this campaign. The time of the video is must at least 2 minutes long. And guys, you must to fill the form if you are going to participate in this campaign. And in the description you must to contain a link to your Bitcoin talk or altcoin talk profile link. So they are going to message you if they will verify your video. So this is the form. You must to complete the form if you want to participate in this campaign also. And guys, in the article campaign, you must to write in 500 words article with original content. And guys, the article must be unique and will be available till the end of the campaign. So removal as deletion of post prior to that will result in disqualification, and you will get 0 stacks. And guys, the article must have a link to your website, Telegram channel, and Bitcoin Talk, altcoin talk, and thread also. So guys, you must read more info about the article will be here, so you will read here easily. And guys, this is the form. If you want to participate in this campaign, then you must to fill the form here also. So 3 article per user accepted, as long as all 3 different like duplicate article will be not counted. And guys, the article must be in English. So qualified article will earn almost 1 stack, and the best 3 blocks will get extra stacks also. So guys, in the signature campaign, if you want to join, then you can easily join this campaign also. Must wear avatar, minimum junior member to apply. Must make 20 quality posts per week to be paid, and minimum 125 characters will be posted, and post must be constructive. So guys, users not posting enough to qualify for week pay can be removed with no warning. And guys, if your rank is good in the signature campaign, like your rank is member, then you will get 1 stack per week, full member 2 stacks, senior member 3 stacks, hero member 4 stacks, and the legendary member will get almost 5 stacks per week. So this is the form, and you must to fill the form if you want to join the signature campaign of the NFT tanks. So guys, these are the signatures that you are going to use if about your rank. So this is the member, this is the full member, this is the senior member, and this is the hero or legendary member can be used. These codes if you want to join the signature campaign, and this is the avatar of the NFT tags. So guys, I hope you like my video. If you have any type of question, then you can ask in the comment. See you, bye bye.